Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Quick Settings, swipe down twice from the top edge and hold steady. You want the brightness bar in view right away, so look for the slider and an auto brightness toggle. If you don't see them, tap the three-dot menu or pencil icon to edit tiles, then drag the brightness tile into place. Once done, make sure auto is set how you prefer, on to adapt automatically, off to control manually. This gives immediate control. Now adjust and customize. Drag the brightness slider slowly to the level you want. This immediately affects screen luminance. You can toggle auto brightness to let sensors manage light based on the environment, which saves battery and reduces eye strain. For finer control, open Settings right arrow display to set night mode, blue light filters, or adaptive brightness behavior. Make sure to test in strong sunlight and dim rooms so the sensor responds correctly and the slider behavior matches your expectations. Finish with final checks. Confirm the slider responds, then lock and wake the screen to verify consistent brightness. If controls are unresponsive, restart the phone first. That often clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is overriding brightness settings. Also check Settings right arrow software update. Manufacturers sometimes release fixes for display issues. Key troubleshooting tip: if the sensor seems wrong, clean the top bezel gently and test again. Dirt can fool the ambient light sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.